found the spanners you were looking for, Jasper? The ones you talked about on the video that you said you'd lost? I got them, don't worry. Here we go, day one. Let's get old Doug up and running. That's got one pipe on. One pipe. Right, that bit's on. That bit's on, as you can see. Just got to do the Jubilee clip up. Put the sump plate back on. Put that bar back on. That's that bit. What next? Put some water in it. And then try and start her up. I think I might just have bought enough spanners to do it. A few more in the van. Got the Ghost Town taxi. Coffee time.
There might be less in the cup, but still enough.
Oh, it's better than the quad. Cheers, bro.
How's it good?
Right, it's all back together. I've had the transmission filter off. Perfectly clean, no rust, nothing. It's fine.
Nice. How are we on oil?
I don't know yet, so I haven't started it.
I'll just bring another can anyway.
Yeah.
The pipe from what? From the radiator?
Yeah. I've admitted to keeping your spanners down here. I said, oh Jasper, look what I found.
It's for safekeeping, right?
Yeah.
Doug will protect them.
Yeah. So, yeah, happy days.
What happened to your spanners?
That's the one I had to cut to fit this oil cooler.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I had to cut it. It's the only spanner you can get in there.
For Doug?
Yeah. Well, running, but I've got a water leak. That steel pipe in there is leaking water, so we'll have to make a repair. This is going back to deja vu. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Okay, story so far. Put the transmission cooler back on, connected it all up, put the pipes on, water in it, no leaks. We did find a leak here on that pipe, which was through there. We couldn't undo it because somebody's welded that pipe in there, so I had to cut it. So temporary fix, that gets rid of that leak. Transmission, drained a bit of water out of it this morning, first thing, and I thought that was going to be okay. As you can see, I put a little bit of transmission oil in it to see if that would make a difference, and it hasn't. So I've drained the transmission oil now, which is full of water. I'm waiting for Jasper to return with the transmission oil. Put new transmission oil in it. I've checked the solenoids, they all seem to work. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the only thing I can do now is just hope and pray that it's just the oil. Doug is now up and running. So that's it for today. Bye bye. Yes, they're yours. Hello, Grinny. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Come.
Hi. Come on, girls.
Sim, essa é, você tem que segurar. Então lá, o gol vem cá até.
Wrong side.
Wrong side.
We should put it in something else. Can you see the level?
Yeah.
Oh.
No.
It's coming out.
Eh?
It's coming out.
Where?
There.
Oh, look at that. Just open up.
Yeah, but that was like that.
Yeah.
Half the canister. This is not even 5 you put in.
Yeah, well, maybe there wasn't. Maybe there's more in there.
Something is still not right with the gearbox. I think Richard is trying to heat it up now. When you put it in second, it goes.
No, when you put it in third, it goes there.
No, but now it starts making noise. When you put it in two, put it in one,
And one.
same noise.
And one. And there. Put it in third.
So the noise is the problem. I never heard that noise before.
No.
Where does it come from? This piston is pissing oil. No brake?
I've got brake, but it's not.
What?
I busted my switch.
Oh.
My switch is broke.
Oh.
I wonder. If that's all it is, I'm gonna fucking scream.
Oh, it's this special switch what breaks when you...
Yeah. Disconnects drive.
Yes. Yeah, but then third gear still working?
Well, that's what I don't understand. Why is third gear working?
It makes a very, I think this noise, what I said, it's coming from the gearbox.
Yes, it's coming.
Wee, wee.
Do I join them two together? Do I remember? Fucking hell!
Still, I'm happy.
Yeah, so am I. I'm very happy. I'm ecstatic now. I really am.
So there is this sort of cutoff switch for the transmission, like continuing when you brake. And Richard put in this switch that I don't know if it cuts the transmission when you brake. So when you approach an object, that it doesn't keep revving, that it like stops revving. And apparently that was broken now. So the weird thing is though, that in third gear, it doesn't apply for third gear because third gear was still working. I think if the third gear wasn't working, you would have gone to the switch sooner.
Yeah, maybe. maybe.
Not that we needed water in the oil anyway.
No, so, yeah.
It wasn't for nothing.
It wasn't for nothing. But now we can just...
Does it seem like my repair of the oil cooler is holding?
Yes.
Did you hear that? Richard said yes.
Yes, you done well, Grasshopper.
Ah, obrigado.
But now we've got brakes.
Grasshopper.
Now we have great... Because we do have a back brake that works now, so we know that. Can't strip that wire. It's too slippery.
It's fucking slippery.
Too slippery, isn't it? Put that on there. Right. Brake. Second gear. Perfecto. There we are, starting to leak. Would they give us a set of seals for it?
I don't think at the hydraulic shop.
Oh.
Because they sent it somewhere else to fix it.
Oh, did
I don't think they have the seal. So this piston also gonna need new seals, but we're trying to see if we can make it leak a little bit less. So we can maybe use it a day before we take also this piston off. Because this does need to be repaired. Oh, this is an easier one to take out though. So guys, know that I just turned the camera on to show you that I was putting some screws in, but I forgot to put the camera on.
Oh.
So note that I put these screws in. It's still leaking now, but not as bad, it seems. It looks better.
It's not leaking as bad, is it?
It was 2 drips. Oh, now it's coming.
Yeah, it's coming from round here. It's coming out of there. Let's move you that way. Ah, there's 2 bolts somewhere.
What?
2 bolts missing. It fell off the mud guard.